You recording?
Yeah.
You not press pause, have you?
Now it's recording.
See if I can sink first, Jim, then we get loads of traction. Just hope he keeps his foot to the floor.
That's what I said to the bloke. I said if he does stop in there, who's only going to get mad?
Use. It's quite weird because it's quiet. You just can't hear anything, can you?
So you think, oh no, it's cut out.
Has it cut out?
Look at the water in the back.
Once it does that though, it's great because it will stay there now. It will keep going now because it's just constantly got grip. Ends up Jim. That's how you do it. Right. Now that has got to go on YouTube somewhere.
I'll get the watermark in a minute.
You put the lights on. What you put your lights on for? What you got your lights on for?
I don't know, fish swimming through.
See the water line there?
Designed by a computer, built by a robot, and driven by a fucking